This video will help you to get rid of the intrusive browser notifications that are coming from the website Erceandblo.xyz. Erceandblo.xyz. So some people may suddenly notice these pop-ups to attack their popular browsers. And the website tries to actually infect your browser with the feature of very intrusive web push notifications. It may tell you that you need to tap the Allow button supposedly to continue your browsing, or to enable some HD streaming, or to watch some video. But whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on this Allow button, at this very moment the browser gets hijacked. First, people may be forwarded to some other questionable content, some malicious sites that may infect the system considerably. Plus, people start getting a lot of intrusive ads that will be displayed mainly in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So if you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, you need to immediately implement some fixes of your browser. And this is the way you should do it. Go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, choose or scroll down to the special area called Site Settings and find Permissions section, click on Notifications, and research the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Delete any malicious sites that you may find here on the list. So get rid of them completely. After this has been successfully accomplished, the problem should no longer reoccur, but we recommend you to check your system additionally with the program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded, start checking your system with its help to make sure it is free of any other infections. After you download and start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Windows, you need to select your preferred scan types. The scan types are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, the trial version of the program only gives you the Quick Scan. So after you have made your choice, click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the detailed research and investigation of your computer. It will give you the summary of all the threads that were found during the scan at the end of the scanning. Now, you may experiment with some features. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version gives you the great opportunity to protect your folders, some selected folders, from being encrypted by the ransomware. So you may go to the Settings, select Anti-Ransomware tab, and then add the specific folder to make sure that your data is duly protected by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then at the end of scanning, you'll see the complete summary of all the threads with their exact location on your Windows computer. You'll have a chance to get rid of all these threads manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.